Hello, this is LiquidOcelot, and today I'm going to make a tutorial about hashtags on YouTube and how to add hashtags to your description properly, how to put uh, hashtags on top of your video. So before I start showing you the exact method, I'm going to search for some hashtags. So these hashtags that you see above video titles are searchable. So I was searching and I found hashtag not my fortnight. Let's see. I'm going to search for it. They are saying that I'm a robot. Click submit. And this guy has put it in his title 1 month ago. So I think the update was quite new. So what I'll do is I'll go to the trending page instead, and the trending page I'll go to England and Wales cricket. I hope I don't get any copyright. So I'll just yes, it's on trending number 14. They have not used any hashtags. Let's see another video. I'll go to vidIQ. Forget everything. vidIQ and vidIQ YouTube channel, and here uh, I'll go to the video section, try to find any new video, get more YouTube views, and look, they have hashtags on top of the title. So hashtag vidIQ, hashtag this, and hashtag more views. Now let's see if we see this correctly. They have used three hashtags over here, and also five hashtags. So they have used five hashtags, but YouTube has only put three hashtags above their titles. So this is one thing to note. You can put around 15 hashtags in your description, and you can stuff it inside your description. The hashtags, they should be related uh, to the video that you are creating, but you cannot make more than put more than 15 hashtags in your video description. Only the first three hashtags that you put will be displayed on top of the title of the video. So I hope this hashtag thing is causing so much confusion in the community, YouTube community. This is cleared. Now I'm going to jump on something else. I don't have a live example, but I'll thing is that you this I'll go to metadata, meta text in your yes, and I have put description in YouTube, the link in the description box, and here, yes, here, this is very important. Don't put tags in description, tag stuffing. In my earlier video tutorial about YouTube, the metadata tutorial, I explained fully that you are not allowed under the terms of service of YouTube to stuff in tags. Tags shouldn't be allowed, aren't allowed in the description of the video. If you do that, you might get your video suspended, removed, or even your channel banned. So make sure you cannot do this. However, you can use hashtags in the description, and it is permitted under the terms of service. So I'll use hashtags, hashtag YouTube, Google support, and yes, in video search. I have also put this in the description box. If there is a no spaces, don't contain any spaces. You cannot put any. This is mentioned over here, 15 tags, but they have mentioned that you can put hashtags in the description box. So all of the policies are mentioned. I hope this is crystal clear now how to use hashtags on YouTube, and also crystal clear to how to not do tag stuffing, normal tag stuffing in the description box. So I'll be signing off. Please leave some feedback, comments in the comment section. If you don't understand some of the points clearly, I'll make a separate tutorial for that. Thank you so much. I'll be signing off.